We are almost at 10,500 people. Confetti. Confetti. Somebody edit that in later. Alright guys, thank you for supporting the channel, and I definitely appreciate each and every one of you. You guys, I see your names pop up, and I see you guys subscribing to the paid monthly service. I see you guys on the websites. The numbers look good, so the information is jiving. You guys are getting this, and it is great. I have seen a reduction of, well, I'll just say it. It's my channel. Stupid questions. All right, so that is good. It means you guys are getting the information and you're going back and looking through videos. If you aren't seeing all of my videos pop up, it's because YouTube does not really market my stuff, because I keep most of my videos under 10 or 12 minutes. That being said, you have to share these videos and whatever else. And if you're looking for something specific, or you just want to kind of follow through and kind of educate yourself, go back to the main page and start watching the videos from the beginning. Obviously skip the ones that aren't relevant, but most of them, 95% of them all should be something you want to see. Okay, and I do try to keep them pretty short for you, in case you got a short attention span. Hey, you in the back. Okay, there, yeah, good, great. So, what is this particular video about? Well, I'm glad you asked. This one is about revocation of the contract. Now, before we get going, remember, everything here is from a non-belligerent, non-combatant, entertainment, and educational purposes only. So, that being said, I'm not saying that this information will get you out of your contract. I'm going to say that the information that I will provide has gotten people out of their contract situations by finding the defaults, fraud, and the remedies. Now, I've already done a little bit of this in other videos, so this particular video isn't going to cover the same information. It's to tell you about that I will create, well, by the time you see this, I have created, can I say that right now? Sure, why not? They won't know. Okay, good. So all this information is just stored in my head. All right, and people keep emailing me, hey, I'm having problems with this, can I get out of that? Now, before I get to that, please keep in mind, guys, I do not help with cases, okay? I just won't do it. I would be too expensive to do that for you. For some people, it might be worth it, but then if you're going to do that, you might as well get a lawyer. But if I were to do it, which I'm not, N-O-T, I would probably be more expensive than a lawyer, because I'm going to go through everything with a fine-tooth comb and make it happen. But I do not do that. However, the tools for that are on this channel, okay? And there's other channels out there with similar or different tools. Utilize those resources and put something together for yourself. You have to start self-governing. You have to take responsibility and not just try to find a way to just get everything for either for free or have somebody else do it for free. It's going to cost you time, or it's going to cost you money. That is the pyramid of things. Okay? So, but once again, I do not do court cases, and I don't answer large emails. If it's more than a paragraph, you probably already lost me, and I'm probably not going to even answer. Just keeping it factual. That also being said, the people who do have the paid subscription service and who have bought a product, they will get first service, so it's first come, first serve. So if I don't get to you, don't be mad. It's not personal. I just don't have time. Other people want it a little bit more than you do. That's just what it is. Sorry. All right, so this particular video is about the revocation of the contract. So by the time you're seeing this, I will have created a file for that, available on blacksite32.com. And what's going to be in there is going to cover everything from how to properly look for the defects, look for the remedies, look for any fraud, look for any questionable statements that weren't provided, and a lot of things that just kind of slip the person's, or you don't know. So I've been doing this for years, guys. This is, the fox has been out here in the wild a long time dealing with certain situations and peoples and whatnots. So once again, I will put all that in a file, and I'm not guaranteeing that it will get you out. It's going to be a basis where you can use one thing in there, you can use all the things in there if they apply, and it gives you a leg to stand on. Now keep in mind that the information that I provide, I don't know why people keep doing this, but when I provide this information, people take it and they run to their lawyer, and their lawyer's like, I am not touching that, because the stuff I talk about is stuff that they are barred from utilizing, okay? The stuff works most of the time, but your lawyer, I've already had people say, oh, I showed it to the lawyer. I was like, that's the first thing I told you not to do. I was like, they don't want to deal with certain issues because they take an oath to the bar, they take an oath amongst themselves, and then the client is on the back end of the burner. And if anything presented conflicts with any of the first two, which is their priority, they're not going to touch it. So this is probably more so for people who want to learn how to do these things themselves versus somebody that's a lawyer. Because I'm not a lawyer, not an attorney in fact, but I'm not here for legal counsel or any of that stuff. This is educational information for you to take the information and then go do your research on it, see why it's valid, see why it might possibly work in your situation, and then utilize it for those people trying to learn how to self-govern and conduct themselves as a U.S. national or non-citizen U.S. national as declared by the Department of State, or a state citizen, also known as an American national, whichever way you want to go. So, that being said, you can find that document on blacksite32.com. For some people who have noticed, the site has changed a little bit, so now if you want to find the downloadable files for free, it's going to say free D/L, free downloads. If you want to find the files to buy, it's going to say files. That's it. Just click it and you'll take it to the page. Now I did update and put 3 major links on there, which one's the free downloads, one's the... Because some people navigating the site didn't know that when you have to click the 3 bars, okay, in the upper corner, when you click that, a window should pop up and give you all the pages on the site. But some people weren't seeing them for some reason, so now I've got 3 large buttons in the center of the page where if you can't find them, one says files right in the middle, one says download, and I think the other one says consultation. Okay, those are the main things we offer there. But just know that there are other options, other pages. There's even a pro shop now on there, which I don't have much stuff to sell, sadly. But YouTube did just tell me that I can't open up clothing line in there with my information and logos on there. So that is coming, and it's going to be fire. I've actually noticed some other people out there doing that, so congrats to you guys as well. And yeah, what can I say? So long story short, guys, if you're in a situation and you want at least some guidance on how to possibly get out of your contractual agreements, but remember, it's not going to work if your contract and everything is legit. You signed it legit, and you can't just be like, I don't want to be in this contract anymore. It's not how this works. This is only if we can find fraudulent information. Like I said, I know where to look for a lot of this stuff. Like I said, people have hit me up. We've been able to help with this information. This is why I'm making the files, because we've already used this information. And I mean, everything from whether it's heating and ventilation, you know, lien, some court stuff, some child support stuff, some what else do we do? Loans, some things like that, credit card stuff too. So some stuff in here has worked on these things, but all of these things do not guarantee that every and all situations this will work for. Just to put the disclaimer out there, I don't want to hear no emails. It didn't work. I don't care even if it did work. Great. Now you know how to do it, and now you know how to, you know, lead yourself. So those are my disclaimers. But has this information worked? Yes. Have we done a lot of it for different people and different things and different industries? Yes. This exact information. But like I said, everybody's situation is different. That's why, like, I can't say here's one file and it'll work for everybody with this, that, or the other. You know what I mean? Even explanatory statement for the passport doesn't work for 100% of people. I mean, it's worked for like 98% of everybody. But some people have weird naturalization situations, Commonwealth, loyalty, things. So there's just no 100% everything works for everybody all the time. It just doesn't work that way, guys. So that's it. If you want the file, you guys know where to go get it, blacksite32.com. Otherwise, thank you guys for those of you who've joined also the personal channel, which is the Badwolf Media channel on YouTube. You look it up, there's my other channel. Gonna have lots of personal details. I mean, not too personal, but, you know, stuff that occurs in one's life and you get to hear about all the stories that led me up to being on this channel and doing this kind of stuff. So that's it, guys. I want to thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that bell, like, subscribe on the way out. Don't forget to share this video with people. And if you guys want a consultation, hit up blacksite32.com or just go there and download all the free files and enjoy. That's it. Take care. Stay wise, stay woke, stay aware. Chat with you later.